So to reverse an image inside of Canva, what we can do is select the image that we want to reverse, like this one, for example, and you can just drag in any image from the left-hand side over onto your project. But once you do that, you want to make sure that you click and select the image, and then you want to go to the top where it says flip, and this will give you the option to either flip horizontal or flip vertical. So if we want to reverse this image, we can click the flip horizontal button here, and it's going to reverse the image so that way it looks kind of like a mirrored version of the original. We can also reverse it upside down as well, like so. And if we ever want to make it return back to normal, we can just click the flip vertical again, click the flip horizontal again, and now the image looks just like it originally did. So that is how you can reverse an image in Canva. If this video helped you guys out, please leave a like. But that's going to do it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope this helped you out.